Hello everyone. Now I will show you how to implement for loop in Python programming language. For that purpose, I will mention for keyword over here. Then I will declare one variable, for instance I. Then I will call in operator, and here I will invoke range function. In range function, you are supposed to pass three parameters. One is for start, from where you want to initialize your for loop. Second parameter is for stop, that is where you want to end your for loop, but the number you will mention at the stop, that will not be included in your range. And the third parameter is optional, either for increment purpose, that is step by 1 or step by 2, or for decremental purpose, that is step by -1 or step by -2. For example, if I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, then initially I will pass one parameter, that is start this for loop with 1. Then since at the 10 I want to terminate this for loop, so I will here pass second parameter, that is stop 11. This number will not be included in the for loop, and when the number 10 will get print, this for loop will be terminated. Third parameter is optional, that is if I didn't mention the step over here, that is either +1, +2 or -1, by default it will be increment its step by 1. Then I will mention colon, then I will enter. Now my cursor will enter into the scope of for loop. I will simply call print function to print the values. In this print function I will pass I variable as a parameter. This I variable initially I have declared over here. I will take help of this variable to print the all numbers from 1 to 10. Then I will right click on this file and run the for loop. In console window you can see the output. This for loop has started with 1 and ended with 10, and the last number 11, that is not included in this for loop. If I pass the third parameter, that is step, and instead of 1, if I pass the parameter here is 2. Now I will right click on this file, and now we can assess the output. See here, initially one number is printed, then later on further number has incremented by 2. So initially the value is 1, then later on 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Then the last number is not included in the for loop. If I increment the step of this for loop in the range function by 3, and if I run this file, you can observe that at the starting point number 1 is print, then the later numbers are incremented by 3. 1 plus 3, that is 4, then 4 plus 3, that is 7, 7 plus 3, that is 10, and the last 11 number has not included in the operation. Likewise, if I want to print the number 1 to 10 in a reverse order. So here I have to declare my start point, that is 10. Then my end point must be 0, since I want to print the number in a descending order from 10 to 1. So I will pass second parameter as a 0, and that number will not be included in the for loop operation. Here I will pass third parameter as a -1. So the next step in the for loop is decrement by the -1. I will simply run this file. So this is the output. Initially 10 number has printed, then later on further number has decremented by -1, and at last number 1 has printed. Likewise, if I want to decrement the number by -2, then here at the step parameter I will mention -2, and if I run this file to assess the output, you can observe that the further numbers are decremented by -2. So initially 10 number has printed, then 10 minus 2 8, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 2 4, at last 4 minus 2 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, and this number will not be the part of, or it will not be included in the for loop operation. This is all regarding with execution of the for loop in Python programming language. Thank you so much everyone.